Hello everyone, Steel Pinnings back again. Today I just got back from the locksmith, my local locksmith. I had troubles in the past getting a locksmith that was more forthcoming, but today I met the nicest little old man, and I think we're going to become great friends. I bought a box of scrap blocks and stuff from him, little bucket box. Let me show y'all here. Let me just, well, it here. A lot of locks. But as I was going through it, I'm looking, like, this is okay. Yes, Elgin, Master, Reese, Brinks, Nathan. It's a Master, isn't it? Yeah, it's a Master 81 without the bottom piece. Alright, a couple old sergeants. No keys to most everything. Walsco. The Chicago. True Guard. More Walso. What's this little shit? No. A Chateau. Like this one. A Chateau. Oh, anyway. And lo and behold, in the bottom of that thing was this monster. Master lock number 15. Well, it needed a pick to it, so picked it open. Now I'm just gonna try and impression me a key to it, and it got me a nice 15. But underneath that was this little thing. And we all know what those are, right? I personally would have no chance at all trying to pick this. I wouldn't dare try, especially on film. I guess this is the 3585-25. No key. So if anybody knows how to pick it, let me know. Or if anybody can get a key. So I don't know. It was a very nice pull of locks, all sorts. Best $10 I ever spent. Y'all take care. Peace.